By the end of this 15-minute video, you'll be able to read and write Korean. Stay tuned. 안녕하세요. Welcome to Korean.Tina, your fun and easy Korean learning channel. Today, we're going to learn how to read and write Hangeul, the Korean alphabet, in just 15 minutes. So, what is Hangeul? Hangeul is a unique writing system created in the 15th century by King Sejong the Great and his scholars. It's designed to be simple, logical, and easy to learn. Unlike English where the letters stand alone, Hangul letters combine into blocks that form syllables. By the end of this video, you will learn the Korean consonants, Korean vowels, and how to put them together to form Korean words and read and write them. Let's get started. First, let's get started with chaum, the Korean consonants. There are 14 basic consonants and 5 double consonants in Korean. We'll go over the name, sound, and the stroke order of each. First consonant, name. 기역, 기역. Sound. 그, 그. Stroke order. Second consonant, name. 니은, 니은. Sound. 느, 느. Stroke order. Third consonant, name. 디귿, 디귿. Sound. 드, 드. Stroke order. Fourth consonant, name. 리을, 리을. Sound. 르, 르. Stroke order. Fifth consonant, name. 미음, 미음. Sound. 무, 무. Stroke order. Sixth consonant, name. 비읍, 비읍. Sound. 브, 브. Stroke order. Seventh consonant, name. 시옷, 시옷. Sound. 스, 스. Stroke order. Eighth consonant, name. 이응, 이응. Sound. 으, 으. Stroke order. Ninth consonant, name. 지읒, 지읒. Sound. 드, 드. Stroke order. 10th consonant, name. 치읒, 치읒. Sound. 트, 트. Stroke order. 11th consonant, name. 키읔, 키읔. Sound. 크, 크. Stroke order. 12th consonant, name. 티읕, 티읕. Sound. 트, 트. Stroke order. 13th consonant, name. 피읍, 피읍. Sound. 프, 프. Stroke order. 14th consonant, name. 히읗, 히읗. Sound. 흐, 흐. Stroke order. First double consonant, name. 쌍기역. Sound. 끄, 끄. Stroke order. Second double consonant, name. 쌍디귿. Sound. 뜨, 뜨. Stroke order. Third double consonant, name. 쌍비읍. Sound. 뿌, 뿌. Stroke order. Fourth double consonant, Name, 쌍시옷. Sound, s, s. Stroke order. Fifth double consonant. Name, 쌍지읒. Sound, z, z. Stroke order. Great. Now onto the vowels. Korean has 10 basic vowels and 11 compound vowels. For vowels, there's no separate name and no separate sound. They are the same. So I'll go over the sound and the stroke order for each vowel. Let's get started. First vowel, ah, ah. Stroke order. Second vowel, ya, ya. Stroke order. Third vowel, aw, aw. Stroke order. Fourth vowel, yaw, yaw. Stroke order. Fifth vowel, o, o. Stroke order. Sixth vowel, yo, yo. Stroke order. Seventh vowel, oo, oo. Stroke order. Eighth vowel, you, you. Stroke order. Ninth vowel, oo, oo. Stroke order. 10th vowel, e, e. Stroke order. First compound vowel, e, e. Stroke order. Second compound vowel, ye, ye. Stroke order. Third compound vowel, e, e. Stroke order. Fourth compound vowel, ye, ye. Stroke order. Fifth compound vowel, wa, wa. Stroke order. Sixth compound vowel, we, we. Stroke order. Seventh compound vowel, we, we. Stroke order. Eighth compound vowel, wa, wa. Stroke order. Ninth compound vowel, we, we. Stroke order. 10th compound vowel, we, stroke order. 11th compound vowel, 의, stroke order. Now, the magic of Hangeul. The Korean letters are combined into blocks to form syllables. There are two basic types of blocks. Type number 1, consonant plus vowel. Type number 2, consonant plus vowel plus final consonant. The final consonant at the bottom is called 받침. Let's go over type 1, consonant plus vowel. Let's use the vowel a and try combining it with different consonants. For example, 기억 plus a, 그, a is 가, 가. 니은 plus a, 느, a is 나, 나. 디귿 plus a, 드, a is 다, 다.
What if ing is the initial consonant before the vowel? Then ing is silent and acts as a placeholder to help pronouncing the vowel. ing plus is a. Together, these blocks form the famous Korean alphabet phrase 가나 다라 마파사 아자 차카 타파하. Try practicing this alphabet phrase by saying them aloud and writing them out. Do you want to create your own syllables? Try combining any consonant with any vowel. For example, 기억 plus o is 그, 오, go. 비읍 plus u is 그, 우, 부. 시옷 plus e is 스, 이, 시, 시. Now onto the second type of Korean blocks. Type 2, consonant plus vowel plus final consonant. When you add the final consonant, also known as 받침, to the bottom of the block, this creates a more complete sound. Let's go over some examples. 니은 plus a plus 니은 is 느, 아, 느, 난, 난. 미음 plus u plus 리을 is 무, 우, 르, 물, 물. 시옷 plus a plus 리을 is 스, 아, 르, 살, 살. What if 이응 is at the bottom of the block as a 받침? Then 이응 is no longer silent, but it sounds like ng, such as in sing. Let's go over some example. 미음 plus a plus 이응 is 무, 아, ng sound. So 망, 망. 비읍 plus o plus 이응 is 그, 오, ng sound. So 봉, 봉. Let's try reading a few real Korean words using what we just learned.
Number 1. 안녕하세요. 이응, 아, 니은, 안. 니은, 여, 이응, 녕. 히읗, 아, 하. 시옷, 에, 세. 이응, 요, 요. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Number 2. 사랑. 시옷, 아, 사. 리을, 아, 이응, 랑. 사랑, 사랑. Number 3. 친구. 치읓, 이, 니은. 기억, 우. 친구, 친구. Number 4. 감사합니다. 기억, 아, 미음. 감. 시옷, 아, 사. 히읗, 아, 비읍, 합. 니은, 이, 니. 디귿, 아, 다. 감사합니다. And number 5. 한국. 히읗, 아, 니은, 한. 기읒, 우, 기읒. 국. 한국. Good job. Okay, so that was it. Remember, Korean was invented to be logical and simple. That's why it only took us less than 15 minutes to learn how to read and write Korean. Keep practicing these letters and blocks daily. Bring a piece of paper, write it down, replay the video, listen to the pronunciation, practice it until you can read and write Korean fluently and show off to your Korean friends. And don't forget to check out our description section where we'll include a link to free Korean starter kit, which includes PDF charts for consonants, vowels, and practice sheets to help you learn Korean even faster. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun and easy Korean lessons with Tina. Don't forget to leave a comment with your new favorite Korean word. Thank you for learning with Tina and see you in the next video. Bye!